Hey, wonderful parents. We've all been there, seeing our little ones struggle with self doubt and navigating their big emotions in this even bigger world. Imagine gifting them a superhero cape that boosts their confidence and resilience every single day. That's the magic of ABCs of Affirmation Starring The Hiccups. This isn't just a book, it's a gateway to positive thinking and happiness for your toddler. Each page radiates with affirmations that nurture resilience, self love, and the strength to face life's little hiccups. Transform bedtime stories into empowering sessions that lay the foundation for a lifetime of positive mindset. Unlock your child's potential. Get yours now. Trust me, it will level up their game.